How to set intentions. So it's your own personal reminder, your own personal mantra as you move throughout your day. How do you want to feel? How do you want your day to look? What are you choosing? What are you calling in? Think about a goal that you have. Bring it to your mind's eye. Simply begin to softly close your eyes and take a few breaths. Maybe take about 4 breaths in, 4 breaths out. And then think about this goal that you have right at your mind's eye. Hold it, take an inhale, and then exhale, sigh it out. Anything that came to mind for me, I write it down, I look at it, I study it, I breathe it in, and then I place it somewhere around my home, and that's how you set intentions and affirmations.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.